Welcome everyone. This is just a real simple overview of getting started in our particular Music 104 course. I am in as a student, a fake student. You can see the purple, kind of magenta purple color on the bottom. So it's a close match to what you will see when you land. This is the home page. This is a welcome video with me in it. And to get started, either click on Modules or on the side on Modules. And when you land, this might be closed. Don't worry, just click it to open it. This Getting Started video you are watching is the first item on the list. Please read the syllabus. It has very important things for you to succeed in your course. The rules of netiquette, how we are to behave online with one another. You have a syllabus quiz, so that's another good reason to read the syllabus thoroughly, that requires you to complete it by a certain date, which is in our case September the 4th, or risk being dropped from the class. There's no exceptions to this. There is an introductory discussion that takes place the first week of our course. There are detailed instructions when you click on all of these things. There is an additional assignment called the Mark Applebaum Reflection, and then some resources on how to listen to music, even a sample listening quiz with instructions, and sections from our e-textbook. There is an app for Canvas, and that's very helpful, especially for students on the go, and many of us are on the go these days. It's not recommended that you try to take quizzes or complete papers or essays on an app on your phone, but it's very handy for our discussion boards. 7-day activity is required in these discussion boards for this course. That's every day they are open. So it's very easy to open the app on your phone while you're waiting in line, or maybe you have a break from work, add a comment or two, and go on your way with the rest of your world. I'm going to back up a bit here. There is a sample listening quiz. It's not worth any points. You can take it many times. But one of the issues in Canvas is our class uses multimedia, both MP3 uploads and links to different videos for the music. So first of all, Chrome should be the browser you use for Canvas courses, no matter what the course is. And also get in the habit of cleaning the history cache files frequently in any browser, but particularly in Chrome. And it's very easy just to go to Google and type in how do I clean the history from my browser, and you'll get step-by-step directions. Because you'll see in this sample listening quiz, there are files that play, and let's see, we'll try the first one here, the crystals.
He gets up each morning and he goes downtown, where everyone's his boss and he's lost in it.
So that's a little snippet of a song you can listen to more of. And then a multi-choice question. What style of guitar playing is present in the beginning of this song? These are also elements that are covered in your e-textbook for the specific chapters. That happens to be a flamenco guitar, and so on. So give it a try. There's a couple of different types. There's some YouTube links. There's also just some straight MP3s. This is not a YouTube one. It's just a sound file asking who produced the song. So this again is just a practice one to get you started there. So I'm going to go back to modules. All right. You notice if I scroll down, everything below this is grayed out. Uh-oh, what's the matter? You have to complete the Getting Started items before the rest of the course will open. So don't delay, because there is a lot of work to complete in each unit. Pace yourself. Don't try to do everything on the last day. So that's just a simple overview of getting started in the course. Don't ever hesitate to send me an email if you get stuck and you have a question. I'm happy to answer it. And welcome to Music 104.